Panoply is a noun that refers to an impressive or complete display of something. It can denote a magnificent array, a full set of items, or even ceremonial attire that showcases grandeur and splendor. Origins, the word comes from the Greek panoplia, which combines pan, tidor, and hupla, arms or armor. Originally, it referred to the full suit of armor worn by soldiers in ancient Greece, but has since broadened to describe any dazzling or comprehensive display. Explanation and usage. Panoply is often used to describe a striking variety of items or elements that form an impressive whole. It conveys a sense of grandeur and completeness. Example sentences: the museum showcased a panoply of artifacts from ancient civilizations. The gala featured a panoply of colors, lights and performances. Synonyms and related words. Array, a large impressive grouping. Display, a presentation of items for admiration. Exhibition, a public showing of items or talents. Antonyms: absence, lack of presence or elements. Minimalism, a simple and bare presentation. Key takeaway: Panoply captures the essence of a stunning or comprehensive collection, often associated with grandeur and variety. Whether describing physical objects or abstract qualities, it highlights the awe-inspiring nature of abundance and splendor. Subscribe.